Okay, today we are going to take the second lesson in your supplementary reader, that is the adventures of Toto. So here in this story we can see Toto is the name of a monkey, and in this lesson we can see how that monkey is being looked after by a grandfather, and from where he got that monkey. Today it is not possible to take care, isn't it? Can we keep a monkey as a pet? No, we cannot keep. It is against the rules, isn't it? So we cannot. It is a forced animal, isn't it? So we cannot keep. But still we can see people keeping monkey as a pet, isn't it? And making them do circus and everything. So that is of one case. But that is the many people are earning their living. But here we can see how the grandfather is keeping that pet. So from where he got that small animal and how much big it has grown and what had happened to him in the end. So we will see through the lesson how is that Toto. Toto was the name given to that monkey by grandfather, and how was he brought up by grandfather. Understood? Got the idea of the lesson? Okay, now we will go to the lesson. Have you ever had a bad baby monkey as a pet? So here they are keeping a baby monkey. So we are not supposed to keep a monkey as a pet. So in our place also we can see large number of monkeys all the time, and at the same time they are doing all kind of destruction also. But we are not allowed to do any harm to them. We are not allowed to do any harm to them. So they are being looked after by the rules and regulations of the government, isn't it? So now here we will see grandfather taking care of this baby monkey, and we will see from where he got the monkey. Toto is the baby monkey. So what's the name given to him? Toto. Toto is the name given to that small monkey. Now we will see how that monkey is being brought up. Okay, now got the idea of the lesson? Now we will go through the lesson. Grandfather brought Toto from a Tonga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. So, for rupees 5 from a Tonga driver. Tonga means a carriage, isn't it? Where the passengers are being taken. So, it has been taken. He got grandfather by paying rupees 5 to the Tonga driver. He got that monkey. The Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough. Trough means container. Trough means container. So he was keeping in a container. The baby monkey is put in that container, and the monkey looked so out of place there. The grandfather decided he would add the little monkey to his private zoo. So the grandfather is having a zoo in his home itself. So maybe there are many animals over there, and now grandfather wanted, when seeing the monkey in the Tonga, he thought that it is good to get that monkey also and add along with these pet animals at home. Understood? For that how much he paid? He paid rupees 5. Toto was a pretty monkey. Pretty means it is a good looking. His bright eyes sparkled. Sparkled means shine brightly with the mischief beneath. I hope you all know the face of the monkey and the mischief, how much it is doing, isn't it? In our place we can see all the time these monkeys jumping from one tree to the other, coming in front of us, and when we go to attack, what will happen? They come forward to attack us. So this was also a small monkey, but it was a good looking with his bright eyes and his teeth. You know the teeth of the monkey, isn't it? When they get angry, they show the teeth in such a manner, which were pearly white. That means pictures of pure white in color, were very often displayed in a smile that brightened the life out of elderly anger in baby. That means it is having the power to frighten anybody, even the grown-up So when the monkey gets angry, what will it show? It shows his teeth in such a manner. But his hands looked dried up as though they had been kept in the sun for many years. So totally the face looks very bright, but the hands are very dry. Yet his fingers were thick and wicked, and his tail is adding to the good looks. And what is happening to him? His body is totally dry, except the face is bright and good looking. Understood? Grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good looks, also served as a third hand. So monkey is having how many hands? 2, isn't it? So the grandfather is saying, according to him, monkey is using his tail also as his third hand. So tail also as his third hand. So that you also know, when we throw something or when they are climbing the tree, they use the tail to give them firm enough, to give their body firm enough. You can see it may be rounded up in the branch. Understood? He could use it to hang from a branch. So with the help of the tail, they are moving from one branch to the other. And it was capable of taking up any delicacy that might be out of reach of their hands. And if they are not able to reach anything, they use their tail and they wind up in the branch and move from one place to another. Grandmother always used with grandmother brought home some new birds around her. So what is the nature of grandmother? Grandmother gets angry. What's the meaning of used? Used means get angry. So grandmother used to get angry whenever grandfather brings any kind of pets at a home. She gets angry. So it was decided that Toto's present should be kept a secret from her until she was in a particularly good mood. So grandfather thought that all of a sudden this Toto should not be brought in front of grandmother, because if she sees the monkey, she will get angry, at the same time frightened also, isn't it? Because we have to get frightened when we are near to a monkey, isn't it? So grandfather thought he will hide it somewhere till grandmother is okay, till grandmother is having a good mood in her. Grandfather and I put him away in a little closet opening into my bedroom wall, where he was tied securely, or so we thought, to a peg fastened into the wall. So where was he brought? He was brought inside the bedroom and he was closed in the closet. So that who will not come to know? Grandmother will not come to know there is a monkey in the room. A few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto, we found that the rails, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather, now stood out as naked brick and plaster. So he has been kept in a cardboard inside the bedroom, isn't it? So after some time, when they both came to see what happened to that animal, what did they find? To their great surprise, they found all the things which had been dumped inside is being thrown out. Who had done that? Yes, the peg in the wall had been wrenched from his socket, and a school blazer which had been hanging there was in shreds. Shred means all torn up, in tears. Shred means all torn up. So the clothes also, which are this school blazer. Blazer means which is being put over the shirt. So that also been torn into pieces. So this is the first mischief done by whom? Done by the small baby monkey Toto. I wondered what grandmother would say, but grandfather did not worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. So who liked the performance of the Toto? Yes, grandfather liked the mischief of that small baby monkey, isn't it? But if grandmother comes to know what all distractions he had done, she will get angry. She will not get pleased, isn't it? She will get angry. He is clever, said the grandfather. Given time, I am sure he would have tied the torn pieces of a blazer in beware of and made his escape from the window. So grandfather said in a funny manner that if he did not come now, what will he do? He will make all that torn pieces into a rope and he will escape from the window. Isn't it? He will escape from the room through the window. So that much clever the animal is. His presence in the house is a secret. So till now who did not come to know? Grandmother did not come to know. Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarters where a number of grandfather's pets lived very safely together. Who are the ones? A tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, and for a while my pet. So who are the animals over there? Yes, tortoise. Who are the ones? Who are the ones who were staying there? Tortoise. Rabbits, squirrel, and goat. So these are already the pets of grandfather, isn't it? Tortoise, a pair of rabbits, and a squirrel, and a pet goat. So along with these four animals, now who is brought up? Toto is brought over there, isn't it? So they thought he will be put along with these animals. So but the monkey would not allow any of his companions to sleep at night. So there also he made disturbance to all the other animals. All the other animals were living friendly over there. So when monkey is brought, he did not allow the other animals to sleep. Why? Because he was troubling them. So grandfather, who had to leave Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur, decided to take him along. So grandfather thought it is not good. It is not good to keep the monkey along with the other animals, isn't it? He will kill them or he will do any other harm to them. So it is better. So the next day he is going to get his pension. He is leaving the place. So he thought he will take him also to with him. And then when coming back he will bring him. So now we will see how that pet monkey is being taken by grandfather. Unfortunately, I could not accompany grandfather on that trip. So the other did not go along with the grandfather. Grandfather along with the pet monkey decided to go to Saharanpur. Understood? But he told me about it afterwards. So the story has been said what had happened. While traveling with that monkey, what had happened, what was the experience grandfather had. A big black canvas stitch bag was provided for Toto. So to put the Toto inside, a canvas bag was prepared. Thus, with some straw at the bottom, became his new abode. Abode means living place. Abode. Abode, living place. So how was that shelter made? A big canvas bag and straw. Straw means hay, kachi you say. That is put under it to make him soft. When the bag was closed, there was no escape. Then after putting the monkey inside that canvas bag, it was closed. So now who is not able to come out? Monkey is not able to come out. Toto could not get his hands through the opening and the canvas was too strong for him to bite his way through. So he was not able to put his hand out or bite it and tear it up. It was very strong. His efforts to get out only had the effect of making the bag roll about on the floor or occasionally jump into the air. So what will he used to do? He used to turn over inside. When he used to turn over inside the canvas bag, what had happened to the bag? It started when he tried to get out, jumping inside, the bag started going up and down. Think about it. Monkey inside and the bag moving. An exhibition that attracted a curious crowd of onlookers on the Dehradun railway platform. So, grandfather had reached the platform with that big cartoon bag where the monkey is being put secretly. But all the people had watched one thing. In between, what is happening to that big bag? It is moving, or sometimes it is jumping up. Toto remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur, but while grandfather was producing his ticket in the railway turn circle, Toto suddenly poked his head out of the bag and gave the ticket collector a wide grin. So up to then, the monkey was not able to put any of parts of his body outside. But when he came to the ticket counter, monkey put his face out, and that was seen by the ticket collector. The poor man was taken aback. Aback means surprised. Taken aback. Who was surprised? The ticket collector was surprised. Why was he surprised? Why should have you been surprised? Because he saw a face inside a big cartoon, isn't it? He did not understand what the creature is. Sir, you have a dog with you. You will have to pay for it accordingly. So the ticket counter has realized or understood that animal is a dog. So what did he ask grandfather? To take a ticket for him also. For whom? For the dog also. It is like that, isn't it? We have to pay ticket for that. In vain did grandfather take Toto out of the bag. In vain did he try to prove that the monkey did not qualify as a dog or even as a spot. So he said that it is not a dog. He could not make him understand that it is only just a monkey. Toto was classified a dog by the ticket collector, and 3 rupees was the sum handed over to his friend. Now, how much rupees he has to pay as ticket? For the ticket, rupees 3. He has to pay for the monkey also, because the ticket collector thought that it is the dog. Then grandfather just didn't get his own back, took from his pocket our pet tortoise and said, "What must I pay for this since you are charged for all animals?" So, who was also there with the grandfather? In grandfather's pocket, who was there? Safe. Tortoise also was there. Safe, isn't it? So, what did grandfather do? He took the tortoise out and showed the ticket collector and asked him how much he has to pay for this animal also. The ticket collector looked closely at the tortoise, prodded it with his forefinger, gave grandfather a pleased and trumpet look and said, "No, child, it is not a dog." So what did the ticket collector say? Ticket collector said that it is not a dog, it is only a tortoise. So only for the dog you have to pay. Understood? Understood now? When Toto was finally accepted by grandmother, he was given a comfortable home in the stable, where he had for a companion the family donkey. So when coming back, where did the grandfather put him? Along with the donkey. Already donkey is having a stable over there, and there who also now added monkey also. So what's the name of the donkey? Donkey is Nana. Nana is the donkey. On Toto's first night in the stable, grandfather paid him a visit to see if he was comfortable. To his surprise, he found Nana without apparent cause, pulling at the halter and trying to keep his head as far as possible from a bundle of hay. So first night, after putting the monkey inside with whom? Inside the stable with the donkey, our grandfather went to see whether they are comfortable over there. So first night itself, what did he see? He saw the donkey hiding himself to save his life from whom? From the monkey. Grandfather gave Nana a slap across her bunches, and she jerked back, dragging Toto with her. What did she do? Toto also with her. He and fastened on to her long ears with a sharp little teeth. So the doggy had caught hold of the long ears of the monkey. Understood? Toto, dragging Toto also with her. Toto and Anna never became friends, so they both did not become friends because they both are fighting each other, isn't it? A great treat for Toto during cold winter evenings was the large bowl of warm water given him by grandfather for his bath. Now winter season it is very cold, so the water is also very cold. So in order to make Toto bath, what kind of water was given? Warm water was given to him. He could cunningly test the temperature with his hand, then gradually step into the bath. So the big bowl of water is being placed over there for him to take the bath. And what did the monkey do? He first went over there and tested the temperature of the water with his finger. And then only he used to get inside the bowl. Then he, after testing the temperature, gradually step into the bath. So then after seeing how much warm it is, he used to step one by one. So first foot, then the other, until he was in the water up to his neck. Then totally the whole body will be immersed in the water up to the neck. Only his face are being up. The whole body will be immersed in the water. So that is the bath taken by Toto. Understood? Once comfortable, he would take the soap in his hands or feet or rub himself all over. So once when he is okay, the whole body is being immersed in the water, he takes the soap and rub all over his body. When the water becomes cold, he would get out and run as quickly as he could to the kitchen fire in order to dry himself. So after some time, what happens to the water? The warmth will not remain for a long time, isn't it? So after some time, water gets cold. Then what will the monkey do? He jumped out of the bowl and ran straight to the kitchen fire in order to warm his body. See how clever he is. So first seeing how much the temperature of the water, how much warm the water is. Then one by one he will get inside and the whole body is being immersed in the water up to the neck. Then after some time the water gets cold, isn't it? That time what he will do? He will not remain there even for a minute. He will run straight to the kitchen fire in order to warm himself. Understood? Got how the Toto is taking the bath? If anyone laughed at him during this performance, which performance? Running back to the kitchen fire. Toto's feelings will be hurt and he would refuse to go on with his bath. Then if anybody on the way, grandfather or grandmother or anybody is seeing him running to the kitchen fire to dry his body, and if they start laughing, who get angry? Toto will get angry. He will not continue his bath. One day Toto nearly succeeded in boiling himself alone. So this is the way how Toto is taking his bath. So whenever the warm water is kept anywhere, who is having the tendency? Toto is having the tendency to take the bath. Now we will see another incident which had made him nearly to death. Now see what is the incident. A large kitchen kettle had been kept on the fire to boil for tea. For tea, a large kettle is being kept. Toto, finding himself with nothing better to do, decided to remove the lid. So it was being closed. Lid means that was taken out. Finding the water just warm enough for a bath. Then what will he do? He will test the temperature, how much warm it is. So he tested and he found that it was equal to the water what was socially given to him for taking the bath. He got it. What did he do? He got into that kettle with his head sticking out from the open kettle and head outside, the body inside. This was just fine for a while until the water began to boil. So actually it was kept in where? Boil fire. It is kept in the fire to boil. That he did not know, isn't it? He just tested the water. It was warm enough. He slowly got inside, isn't it? And what was going on? The water is boiling only. It was going on because already the fire is there. So So the water started boiling. That means the temperature of the water is getting more and more. This was just fine for a while until the water began to boil. Slowly the water was boiling. Toto then raised himself a little. So when the heat increased, he started moving up, little up. Finding it cold outside, sat down again. Then still it was cold outside, so he again sat on that hot water. He continued hopping up and down for some time until grandmother arrived and holded him half boiled out of the kettle. So what was he doing? He was slowly jumping up, then again coming down. That means making his body warm and hot, because the water was under. What was happening? Under the kettle, there is fire and the water was boiling. So the water temperature started increasing and he was not able to stand there. So what was he doing? He was going up and up. Then suddenly who came over there? Grandmother came over there and saw that monkey is being inside the kettle and still what is happening? Water is boiling. So after some time what will happen? Who will meet his death? The whole water will be boiling and the monkey will not be able to stand the hot of the water, isn't it? So he will get boiled. His body parts will get boiled, isn't it? So grandmother came at the time and he was saved. If there is a part of his brain especially devoted to mischief, that part was largely developed in Toto. So monkey is clever enough to do all kind of mischief, understood? But they don't know what is good and what is bad. He was always tearing things to pieces. So whatever they get in their hand, what will they do? They will tear into pieces. Whenever one of my aunts come near him, he made every effort to get hold of a dress and tear a hole in it. So in our place also we can see monkeys. When we put all the clothes for drying, what will they do? They will come and take away all the clothes and run to the nearby trees, isn't it? Same is happening in this monkey also. Whatever he sees, he will tear into pieces. One day at lunchtime, a large dish of pulao stood in the center of the dining table. We entered the room to find Toto slipping himself with the rice. So he is already there smelling. We entered the room. My grandfather screamed. Grandmother screamed. She shouted. And Toto threw a plate at her. So when she shouted, because the eatable was there on the table and he was smelling the smell of that food. And grandmother saw this and she shouted. So what did he do? He threw a plate at her. One of my aunts rushed forward and received a glass of water in the face. So when my aunt came to take that pulao from the table, she also was thrown by a glass of water. When grandfather arrived, Toto picked up the dish of pulao and made his exit through the window. So finally who came? Grandfather came, and by that time he had taken the whole plate and went out of the window. We found him in the branches of a jackfruit tree, a dish still in his hand. With that plate, he was sitting on one of the branches of a jackfruit tree. He remained there all afternoon, eating slowly through the rice, determined on finishing everything. So the whole day he was sitting over there and finishing the whole pulao. And then in order to spite grandmother who had screamed at him, he threw the dish down from the tree and chattered with delight when it broke into 100 pieces. And to make grandmother angry, what did he do? He threw the plate from that big tree to the ground and it was broken into pieces. Obviously means clearly. Clearly. Toto was not the sort of pet we should keep for long. Even grandfather realized it. So now grandfather understood. It is not good enough to keep a monkey as a pet. Only for a short time we can keep it, still it is mischievous. We were not well to do and could not afford the frequent loss of dishes, clothes, curtains and wallpaper. Grandfather found the Tonga driver and sold Toto back to him for only 3 rupees. So for 5 rupees he bought the pet animal from the Tonga driver. Now he found it impossible to keep that monkey at home because he is doing only all kind of destructions, destroying all the things in the house. So he wanted to put him out. For that, what did the grandfather do? He had given to the Tonga driver and got how many rupees? 3 rupees. For 3 rupees he sold Toto to the Tonga driver. Understood? So 5 rupees he bought, and he did not come to know that this much mischievous the monkey can do. But it was too mischievous, too naughty for each and everything, disturbing the whole thing, whole atmosphere, as well as doing all kind of distractions. So they are not a well prepared family to buy every time the things for themselves. So they found that it is better to sell that animal to the Tonga driver. Understood? Now the question answers are there, 5 are there, it will be sent to you. So now we have come to the, now you understood, I think you have understood how grandfather was keeping the animal and how much disturbance it was causing for grandfather and his family. Understood now? And finally, what did he do? He understood that the monkey cannot be kept along with the other animals as a pet because he is the most mischievous animal. At the same time, not only mischievous, doing all kind of destruction also. Now, how does Toto come to grandfather's private zoo? So, how did Toto come? He had seen the animal when it was a baby only, isn't it? In whose carriage? Tonga driver, and he was put in that box in that tire. He found that it is good to take that baby also at home and add along with the private zoo. Who are there in the private zoo? Tortoise, rabbit, squirrel and a goat. Toto was a pretty monkey. In what sense is Toto is? His face was bright, sparkling, under, beneath means under deep eyebrows, and his teeth which were pearly white. Why does grandfather take Toto to Saharanpur and how? He was put in a canvas bag and straw was put at the bottom and covered the box, isn't it? And taken to Saharanpur in a train. How does Toto take a bath? Where was he learned to do this? That means a bowl of water, warm water is being given to him. He used to test the temperature of the water, then one foot first and then the other, and up to the neck he will be in the water, and after reaching up to the neck he will take the soap and rub over his body. And what does the other say? Toto was not the sort of pet we could keep for long. So finally the other had said that it is not possible to keep, that is, it is not a sort of animal which can be kept at home because it is full of mischievous and at the same time doing all kind of destruction also. See these animals, they are not able to do any kind of destructions, isn't it? They are not mischievous. When food is given to them, they will be settled there, isn't it? But Toto, as far as Toto is concerned, he is different. Now you understood? So these answers will be sent to you and you have to copy that in your notebook.